will be completing our assembly of an commercial plane. Okay, as we know that we have done with the duct or engine component and our main wing, horizontal stabilizer, vertical stabilizer, and also we have done with the major component, that is fuselage. Okay, so we will call all those components in our open VSP and we will do our assembly part, assembly of an commercial plane. The parts which we have covered, okay, all these parts. So before completing these parts, ensure that you have saved all this file, okay, the duct file or duct component which you have designed in the open VSP, and also your main wing, okay, horizontal stabilizer, vertical stabilizer, and all other components, okay, with respect to your model which you have. Okay, so once you are done with all the components, ensure that you have saved those all components and you have maintained on standard file like this. Okay, engine or duct part for main wing fuselage, we have done with this part, right? Fuselage part 1, and after that we have went for to create and to design main wing. Okay, so in our case, first we have done a main wing, then we have completed our fuselage, and thirdly we have jumped to horizontal stabilizer and vertical stabilizer, and at the end we have completed our engine or duct component. Okay, same file which you have saved, I have called all those files separately here. Okay, here we have all those files. Okay, so now all these files we have to do assembly with respect to given data, front view, side view, and top view. Okay, by using this data we have done with our each and every part, right? And at the end, after assembly, your part should look like this. Okay, top view, front view, and here we have left side view. Okay, so now we will go to our open VSP. Okay, so here we have our software, open VSP software. Just double click on your software. Now what I have to do, I have to call all my files. Okay, and combination of all these files, I have one standard file, that is this file, wings of aero commercial plane project 1.vsp3, this file. Okay, I've combined all my component. So what I'll do, I'll go to file, I'll call this file. Okay, I'll call this file in the open VSP. So to do that, what we have to do, we have to go to file in our open VSP. Okay, as we know that as soon as we double click, we will get two window. One is our open VSP window, one more is our geometrical browser window. In the open VSP window, we have all this menu, that is file, edit, window, view, model, analysis. So to call your files, you have to go to file, open your file where you have, I have saved my file in D drive. Okay, sorry, E drive, and here I have my files. Okay, so this file I have to select now. So that's why what I'll do, I'll just select my file and I'll accept. Okay, fit on screen. So here we have all my components. Okay, we have done with the main wing, right? And also we have done with fuselage, Each and every component we have completed, no? And same component we have saved, right? That is what we have followed, no, in this project. Initially we have took all the data. After taking the data, okay, I mean like geometrical parameters or 2D parameters, after using the geometrical parameters or 2D parameters, okay, with respect to each and every component, so we have created and designed each and every component in the open VSP, okay, and each and every component we have saved separately, like this, like this, like this, and like this. After completing your each and every part, to do assembly we have to take all the components and we have to do assembly, okay. So now currently fuselage, here we have fuselage, here we have main wing, here we have engine component, here we have horizontal stabilizer, and here we have vertical stabilizer, okay. So just short name is given, so you can change name like this. So I'm just renaming, okay, duct or engine. I'll just call this duct as engine, and here we have wing. So to differentiate this, I will call this wing as the main wing, okay, and here we have fuselage. So any one part I'll just keep in a static position, okay. You may select any one part, that may be fuselage, main wing, duct, horizontal component, and vertical component, okay. Any one part, just keep in a static position, I mean like x location, y location, z location, and x rotation, y rotation, z rotation, that should be 0, okay. So I'll just select fuselage, because as we know fuselage is the major component as compared to other component what we have, okay, compared to main wing, engine, or horizontal stabilizer and vertical stabilizer. This one is our main component and very large component, so that's why I'll keep this as my reference model. With respect to this, I'll do assembly, okay. I mean like I'll take all these components and I will attach as per the given dimensions, okay. So now I'll just change this view, fuselage view, top view, okay. uh, and simultaneously I will use this one, okay. Main wing has to come here, right? So distance along x, distance along y, and distance along z, that one we have to adjust, okay. So for fuselage I'll just keep here itself. Now I will select the main wing and I will move this wing and I'll fix here, okay. I will fix here. So distance along x I have to mention, that one I will mention, okay. So just let me move this. So I have to move along positive value, okay. Here we have 0 comma 0, okay. this side is negative. Our wing currently it's here, which means negative x direction. So that's why default it's negative minus 40. So instead of negative minus 40, I want to fix my wing somewhere here. Okay, so I'll move this along positive value, and I'll just initially I will type 10, enter, just to check. Yeah, so yeah, that's right. So now I'll give you the dimensions where exactly you have to fix this wing. Okay, so here we have our wing component. That wing component, it is located 45 feet from the origin. Okay, yeah. So let me explain this part. As we know, our fuselage is like this. Okay, top view. So the wing, okay, it has to locate at a distance of 45 feet away along x. Okay, 45 feet away along x, which means wing dimensions, it has to locate here like this. Okay, this wing you have to move along x 45 feet in a positive direction. Okay, 45 feet, and in negative direction no need to rotate or no need to move. Okay, because just we have to fix here itself, right? As we know, fuselage, that one we have called as a fixed component. So just we have to fix our other components. So first component we have selected main wing. So this main wing we have to fix 45 feet in a positive direction. So that's why plus 45, enter. Okay, yeah. Now no need to do any changes. Let me change the view, front view. Yes. Okay. So along Z, little bit I have to move upward. Okay. I mean like along Z minus. So that also I have to mention. Okay. Along Z, this wing, just take backward. That is minus. Okay. From reference you are taking back in the sense minus. Okay. So that's why minus 2.527 feet. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Little bit down it has to come. So that's why just type here minus 2.527, enter. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So we have done with our wing. We have fixed our wing. Now similarly, we have to select next component. I'll select duct component, and this duct component somewhere here randomly it has fixed. Okay, which means from origin it is backward in a backward direction along x. Okay, that's why minus 30. So now what I have to do, I have to take this duct and I have to fix like this. Okay, according to our value or according to our parameter. So that parameter I'll give for duct, which means this engine what will be fixing. Okay, so initially we'll fix one engine. Okay, then we'll just copy and we'll paste other side. Okay, so initially just we'll take only this one, and this is located along x 4.881 feet away, and along y it is located at 15.883 feet. Okay, and along z minus, in the sense downward, 0.952. Okay, feet. So we will use these parameters to fix our next component, that is duct or engine component. Okay, so currently it is here. Let me change the view, top view. So let's use front view. Yeah, currently engine component is here, no? So currently it is here. So we have to move our this engine component. Okay, by using our x location, y location, z location. Okay, and we have to fix here. I mean here. Okay, so along x, along y, along z parameters. Okay, here we have, and same thing I have mentioned here. Okay, so we'll use this parameter, that values along x I will move 4.881 feet. Okay, enter, and along y 15.833, enter. Yeah, here we have two engine components, no? And also we will rotate this one 5.5 feet. We will rotate, and also we will rotate along y 3.5 feet. Oh, sorry, here we have to, so I'll just off this symmetry part. Okay, now we will use this. First, let's fix this one component. Yeah, it's here. It has been came to this place. Okay, which means top side is correct. Okay, which means along X. That's at right position. Let's copy this one now. Okay. Okay. So yeah, after copying, a number has been increased. No, 4.8812 to 8.214. So instead of this, we'll use this number. I mean, like the location. 4.881, enter along X. That is done. Front view. So here we'll take this as minus 0.952 feet. Okay, enter. Now it's correct. Okay. So this engine, as per our requirement, okay, as per our dimensions, okay, this engine or the duct component that is located, okay, along X 4.881 feet away, and along Y 15.833 feet away, and along Z minus 0.952. Okay, the location of this engine or the duct component. And now what we'll do, we have rotated this. Okay, same engine we have rotated 5.5 feet, okay, along X, and also we have rotated the same engine 3.5 feet along X and Y. uh, yeah, let's use front view. If you maintain 0, then just see. And if you change the left view, then see, position is not that much correct, no. This view is right, but this one has to be corrected. So that's why we will rotate this along X 5.5 feet, okay, and along Y 3.5 feet. Enter. Okay, now it's correct. Okay, this one we have fixed. Now we will move to horizontal stabilizer and vertical stabilizer. Okay, to come, yeah, this main wing and engine we have fixed. Front view is correct. Left view, that is also correct. Okay, now we will take this horizontal component and we will move that. Okay, and we'll fix here. I mean, here we have to fix now. So this is located 108 feet away along X, and along Z 5.577 feet. Okay, which means horizontal stabilizer. location of this horizontal stabilizer along x 108 feet. Okay, and along y, no need to rotate or no need to change its location along y. Okay, because you have to fix on that same plane, so that's why no need to disturb along y. Instead of that, we have to disturb z location of that horizontal stabilizer z. Okay, z location in this is this one along z. Yeah, now currently it is here. No, currently it is here, so we have to move this and we have to fix here. Okay, so currently it is here upside, so instead of here we have to fix this side, right? So which means we have to change its z location, and that z location will give the distance, that is 5.57 feet. Okay, okay, so now we will use this and no need to rotate at all, just we have to fix. Okay, I will use side left view. Okay, I'll locate this. Now currently it is back side, so I have to move this one front side, and that value I have given 108 feet. Okay, 108 feet, not minus, plus, enter. Okay, it has been came to this place. Okay, and not above this fuselage. Okay, so we have to fix this one here, right? So I have to disturb along z, I mean I have to move along z, that is 5.57 feet. 5.57 feet. 5.577, enter. Okay, then so we have fixed our horizontal stabilizer. Now last component, that is vertical stabilizer. Okay, so here we have vertical stabilizer. This one is our vertical stabilizer, and it has been placed randomly at this location. So we have to use our xform tab, and in this xform tab we can change the model location along x, along y, and along z, and also we can rotate the same model along x, along y, and along z. Okay, and also we can change its location along x, along y, and along z. So we have to use this all coordinate system in such a way that your respective model has to place at a respective location. So this vertical stabilizer we have to fix here. Okay, and x, y, and z coordinate system I'll mention. Okay, which means this is our vertical stabilizer. Okay, this vertical stabilizer along x, you have to move 90.50 feet away. Okay, and coordinate of y, no need to change anything along y. Okay, so that's why 0, and along z 6.5 feet away. Okay, 6.5 feet, all dimensions are in feet. Okay, and also we have to rotate this one So first let's use this coordinate x, y, and z. Uh, so x rotation, y rotation, z rotation, I'll just maintain 0 itself. No need any disturbance. Okay. Now I will move this along x, and somewhere here I have to get my vertical stabilizer, right? So along x, how much? That is 90.5 feet in a positive x direction. So this one I have to change to 90.50 feet along x, positive x direction. Okay, yeah. And along y, so currently it is here, no? So top view, here we have top view, so it should come here, right? So that's why we'll maintain y 0, enter. Okay, yeah. And along z, now I'll change the front view. Yeah, now we will change this along z, that is 6.5 feet. 6.5 feet, enter. Yes. Okay, so it has been placed now at that respective location, and this one we have to rotate. Okay, so we have to rotate along x, right? So here we have x, so we have to rotate this vertical component, we have to rotate along x in a 90-degree. So I'll just rotate this 90-degree. Okay, yeah. So here we have done with the assembly. Okay, so now select all and shade. So you can change the material into default, or you can maintain same material. Okay, so this is all about today's class. So we have done with assembly. This is our top view, front view, left view. Okay, front view, right? So let me select all and none option. Select all. Now I will shade. So this is our front view, side view, that is this one. Okay, select all and none option. Select all, and again you can shade. So after this we have top view. Okay, so we have done with our project 1 successfully. Okay, so this is all about today's class, and we'll continue in the next class. First project has been completed. Okay, thank you to all. Thank you. We will continue in the next class with our different topic.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.